we are India's only risk management company for doctors and hospitals. And this is the only industry. We are the only solutions for doctors, basically any medical legal problem or whatever a doctor faces. Our company CEO is with us, Mr. Vijay Arora, who had done really something commendable job in taking this company to a new height, to the new level. And we are today in India not only celebrating our work, what we are doing for the doctors and hospitals, but we are very different. And why we are, what we are creating in the society is that for the last 24 years, we are creating, you can say, we are giving support to those people who are from a very poor background or who don't have anywhere to go. We are giving them job, giving them a skill, and giving them you can say respectable position in the company. And it is really amazing to see that hundreds of youths in last 20-25 years has been transformed into a very big professionals, and they all are working with us. So that's the outstanding thing which our company is doing. More CEOs sir will be telling, sir.
Okay. Thanks all the media teams here today to cover our. Today we have an award ceremony for all the achievers who has performed excellence into their particular areas, into their departments. So the all celebrations are going on. In the meantime, as Mr. Sanjay Mishra has already explained that what we do, and what we do is we the savior of the societies are the doctors, the medical fraternity. So we are covering all those medical professionals who are the saviors to the society. You know, there are certain things which has been imposed on the medical fraternity, and we are the only organization in India which is covering all these hospitals, doctors, and many more professionals who are into the medical field. So we are into this industry for the last 25 years, and this is our Silver Jubilee program is going on from this month till August of this year. So we are so happy to see you all here and covering our all aspect of the programs. Thank you so much. Thanks for coming. Thank
Aditi,
you.
you're your doctor yourself, and it's so nice to know that you're supporting, for a Apex initiative, which is also to generate employment and also catering to the well-being of the society. So, what do you have to say for that?
फर्स्टली एज अ डॉक्टर आई एम अवेयर दैट आजकल जो डॉक्टर्स फेस कर रहे हैं, जो मेडिको लीगल इश्यूज हो रहे हैं, आई फील बैड क्योंकि बहुत मेहनत करते हैं और बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस अगर कोई नहीं बचता है तो डॉक्टर पीटा जाता है, उसके हाथ पैर तोड़ दिए जाते हैं. तो अ लॉट ऑफ माई कॉलीग्स, माई डॉक्टर कॉलीग्स आर अफ्रेड इतना के कहते हैं कि हमें प्रोटेक्शन रखनी है, क्या बाउंसर्स रखे क्या क्लिनिक के बाहर. तो जो एक नोबल नोबल प्रोफेशन, गॉड का दर्जा जो दिया जाता था, वहाँ से अब इट्स कम डाउन टू कि थ्रैश किया जाता है उनको, डरते हैं लोग. हाल ही में एक हमारे सीनियर थे, 53-year-old न्यूरो सर्जन, ही पास्ट अवे बिकॉज ऑफ कार्डियक अरेस्ट. तो द ओनली रीज़न वॉज स्ट्रेस, क्योंकि वो काफ़ी फिट थे. तो ये अगर एपेक्स जैसी कंपनियां हैं जो हेल्प कर रही है, मदद कर रही है डॉक्टर्स को, तो मैं ऑफ कोर्स इनको सपोर्ट करने यहाँ पे पहुँची हूँ. इसीलिए पहुँची हूँ कि इट्स अ वेरी वेरी गुड थिंग दैट यू गाइज आर डूइंग, एंड माई हार्टिएस्ट कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस कि 25 years सिल्वर जुबली हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. तो एंड यू आर जनरेटिंग ऑन द साइड, यू आर जनरेटिंग सो मच वर्क फॉर द underprivileged and downtrodden people. So heartiest congratulations.
So it's coming from you. It's a big inspiration, and we are the only company which is having official risk management tag from Indian Medical Association. So we are the official risk managers for Indian Medical Association, basically. And this award today's evening is basically to celebrate those who are doing really very good, who had done very good in this complete year by in service and renewal, any form they are going to they are supported doctors basically in hospitals. So we are celebrating them today this evening.
Thank you for
And
backing
having
them.
this diva with us today.
Any message you all would like to give to the people out there who need to be aware and who need to be a part of the Apex?
So,
See, as we already said, ma'am has also told us, then she also expressed that there is only professionals who are called after God is, they are the doctors. And you know, whatever they have been doing into their field, they are not doing any experiment with anyone. Sometime, you know, if anything has been happened, then they are considered to be like an criminals. That should not be tagged on them. And this is the only message from our organizations, that if in any case any medical professionals who's facing any kind of problem which is out of his control, out of the scenario of his thought process, that can be covered with us. We are an umbrella for the medical fraternity across nations, and we have the highest educated medical legal consultants with us, who are giving their different kind of teaching programs to many doctors. So it is privilege to speak with all the press team here. Thank you so much.
Thank you, press team. In fact, and we need, for healthy society, we need doctors to be protected. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
मैम क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आज इस एपेक्स सम्मान में आपको
I was very honored to be a part of this event, and I feel all the achievers to whom I gave the award, they truly deserve this recognition, because they have made a meaningful impact. And yeah, I enjoyed the event. I met a lot of people, and it was a great event, great night.
क्या कुछ 2026 में आने वाला है आपकी तरफ से या क्या कुछ आप कर रहे हैं बताना चाहेंगे
जी, मैंने वेब सीरीज़ अभी हमने शूट की है, एंड प्लस चाचा विधायक के सीज़न 3 आई हैव ऑलरेडी डन सीज़न 3, सो वी आर प्लानिंग टू शूट फॉर सीज़न 4. ओके.
आज आप यहाँ पे एपेक्स सम्मान में आप आए थे और आपने बहुत लोगों को प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया और डॉक्टर्स लोग की जो सेवा कर रहे हैं उनके लिए भी आप यहाँ पे सपोर्ट में जुट रही है, क्या कुछ करना चाहेंगे आप?
पहले तो मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा कि मुझे यहाँ इनवाइट किया, क्योंकि कभी कभी हम सबको बहुत नई नई चीज़ें जानने को मिलती हैं. मेरे लिए भगवान, डॉक्टर हमेशा भगवान के रूप में होते हैं. अगर वो लोग भी तो इतने सेफ रहने चाहिए, और ये लोग जो काम करते हैं डॉक्टर्स के लिए, वो इतनी बड़ी बात है जो आज तक मुझे शायद पता नहीं था. लेकिन आज जब मैंने जाना इसके बारे में, तब मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा कि आई वॉज अ पार्ट ऑफ बीइंग हियर, एंड आई रियली एन्जॉयड माई सेल्फ. बहुत लोगों को बहुत सारे अवार्ड्स मिले और ये देखकर मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा.
आपके फैंस को क्या मैसेज रहेगा 2026 में, जो आपको पसंद करते आए इतने सालों से, उनके लिए क्या आप कहना चाहेंगे?
थैंक यू सो मच. आप लोगों ने मुझे इतने सालों में बहुत प्यार दिया है, बहुत मुझे सम्मान मिला है लोगों से. आई जस्ट होप कि मैं 2026 में भी आप लोगों को एंटरटेन करती रहूं और आप इसी तरह से मुझे प्यार और सम्मान देते रहें. थैंक यू.
Today for Apex, we're endorsing the initiative that they have for supporting people, generating employment, and supporting so many people from the wellness industry. What would you like to say?
So this the best part is if you look at the people who are aligned in that room. So normally ऐसा होता है कि regional awards होते हैं कि कहीं आपने best of the region चुन लिया, उनको बुला लिया. I've seen people across the country, and when I say across the country, doesn't mean only metros. We have people from deep tier 3, tier 4 town who are being recognized as well. So that's the best part. That is the reason the company is growing as well, because it speaks volumes about how much they honor people who are associated with them. It's just a company of around 400 associates, but they've mentioned every award. एक employee जो कहीं भी बैठा है किसी भी कोने में, with the cash awards, with the appreciation, everyone feels valued in that room, and this is the value that appreciates when they go to work. ये बहुत बड़ी बात है. That is the reason company live up to be named. They are the Apex name because they care about every small little detail, every employee, every associate who's working with them. So that's great thing. Maybe that is the reason they are market leader.
And what's your experience been today?
As an artist, I'm here to perform poetry and all. And कहते हैं ना कि कई बार कवियों को लगता है कॉर्पोरेट में तो ज़्यादा लोग हंसते नहीं हैं, एंजॉय नहीं करते. बट आई हैड वन ऑफ माई बेस्ट सेशंस, लाइक दे वर लिसनिंग. और ये बताता है कि 3 घंटे अवार्ड फंक्शन चल गया, फिर भी लोग सुन रहे हैं. इसका मतलब ये अपने कस्टमर्स की भी सुनते ही होंगे.
Something for the audience?
आई थिंक जुड़े रहिएगा, साथ में रहिएगा, क्योंकि अगर आप एपेक्स के साथ हैं तो आप क्वालिटी के साथ हैं और आप सही लोगों के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं और इस बिल्कुल सही प्रोग्राम के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं. थैंक यू.
And a small performance for the audience, Anish, if you would like to.
है ना. तो मैंने जाते जाते भी वहाँ जो 4 लाइनें कहीं कि दुनिया कोशिश करेगी कि पर ना मायूस होना तुम, ना उदास होना, ना बेमतलब के कंफ्यूज होना तुम. अपने आप को आईने में देखना और चेहरा मुस्कुराता हुआ लगे, तब किसी की परवाह ना करना और खुश होना तुम. बहुत खुश होना तुम. शुक्रिया. थैंक यू.